Are you hesitating to set your goals for 2021 because of all of the uncertainty right now? I saw a cute post. It said, "I'm not buying a 2021 planner until I see a preview." And I think that's how many people are feeling right now is, hey, I set goals in 2020 and then everything changed and now we're in this pandemic and things are changing so quickly that I don't want to set some goals because I don't know what's happening. Am I going to be able to travel? Am I going to be able to be in my business? What's it going to look like? I'm here to tell you today that no matter the uncertainty in our global climate right now, it's still so important that you take the time to ask the question, what would I love? There's two ways for us to live. One is by design and one is by default. And if we're not setting those goals and those intentions and those visions, we're living in a place of default, which means we're just taking on the energy of the global climate. We're simply reacting to conditions, to circumstances. We're repeating the same patterns that we've lived before. And so our opportunity, especially as we're looking at a new year, is to be more intentional, is to look at the calendar and really ask, what would I love to create this year? And that part of you that's feeling uncertain and I'm not sure what's going to happen, let's just give ourselves permission to put that on hold for now. Because there is uncertainty and things may need to change. And so as you're setting your goals for 2021, as you're setting your vision, remember to hold it with an open hand. It's this or something even better still. And maybe you'll be able to take that trip and maybe you won't be able to. But what's important with those goals is what's behind it. What are the qualities that are important to you? Is it new experiences? Is it challenging yourself? Is it trying something new? And to remember what the essence is, because there's always a way to live into that part of it. There's a really great expression that goals are for growing. They're not for getting. And if we're not setting those goals and challenging ourselves to dream, even in the uncertainty, we're not experiencing the growth. As you are starting this brand new year, 2021, take the time to ask yourself, what would I love to create? Knowing that in the absence of having those goals and those dreams, we're simply going to be repeating the old patterns. And if you would love some support with that, I highly encourage you to attend our vision workshop on January 23rd, where we're going to go through a process on how to set those goals in a very powerful way. There's lots of people that I know and that I have the privilege of working with that 2020 was their best year ever. And they experienced these wonderful results in their life despite what was going on and despite the uncertainty. And that's what I want for you too, is that 2021 can be your best year ever. And that starts by setting those goals, creating that vision, even in uncertain times. Here is to you living a life you love.